She blamed the eclipse, according to...
Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Okay, so first of all, let me apologize to y'all because I have been videoing content, but I've been on the road. Like, I had to go back to North Carolina for a grand opening, and now I'm back in DC this morning on my way to work. So let me apologize because me being on the road has affected me posting every single day like I said I wanted to. But let me just let you know, I have gotten footage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the footage from the last 2 days and make one video for you all today. So the video you saw previously, I decided one day, I was like, you ever wonder what you look like when you putting on your makeup in the car? I do. I think about crazy crap like that. So I was wondering, what the world do I look like when I put makeup on in the car? So this morning when I got in the car, I was like, you know what? I'm going to just go ahead and let this thing video while I'm putting makeup on the car so I can see how I look in the car. But I'll let y'all know what that looks like when I actually look at the video because I haven't seen it yet. I am on my way to work. It is day in the office, and y'all know how I feel about day in the office. But, I mean, it is what it is. It pays the bills, so I have to do what I got to do. I got to stay compliant, with the rules and stuff. I don't want no problems, no situations at all. So, but anyway, so I'm on my way into the day in the office, and y'all know I'm feeling good because I got my kCharles Couture pants on, and I really like these ones because they got like a little fake little ribbon type thing on it or something. Hold on a minute, y'all. Gotta get into the garage. Good morning. I always say good morning to people. I don't know what might be going on in their life. So, be kind. Good morning. How are you?
Morning.
Getting a little stretch?
Yeah, you want you to hit it. Have a good one.
You too. Okay, y'all know every time I get in this parking garage, I get a little lost. And that's crazy because I've been working here for 5 years and still get lost in the parking garage. But anywho, back to what I was saying. So I just wanted to see what in the world I be looking like what my facial expressions are and stuff when I'm driving. So that's why I did that little video this morning, a little piece that y'all saw as I was waiting for to come on in here and start talking. But I hope you are having a great morning. Today is Tuesday. I don't know the exact date, but it's April the 9th. That's today. Today is Tuesday, April the 9th. I'm in the garage about to park. And I'm excited for today, y'all. I think that's 8, that's 9. Oh, that's a 10 right here. My parking space is right here, y'all. I like this space. Okay, so now I know to request F10 every single time. But anywho, so I'm getting ready to park and go on inside so I can get ready for this all-day meeting that they have us attending. But let me tell y'all something before I get off this thing here. Let me get in my space first. Let me get in my space. So today I decided to do something, and I don't know why. And you know why? Because today is day in the office. It's a good day to just kind of mess around and experiment with some stuff. So today what I did was I grabbed a old blazer, y'all, old blazer that I made, that I put together. I don't know how many years ago I did this blazer, but I did the blazer a long time ago. And I just wanted to see like what the master work was looking like during at that time. And I'm gonna tell you, it's not bad. I still could have worked on my lapels, which now, like, I would kill this. Like, I'm gonna kill it. Y'all know I'm gonna remake this, but I'm gonna actually probably just take this off and redo the whole thing. I don't know. We'll see. In fact, I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna leave it just as is. I'm gonna leave it just like this. But I decided to put this on, and let me show y'all how old this is. It is so old that this is a S&G Customs. This is not even a kCharles. This is y'all. This is the original mommy parent company of kCharles Couture. That's what that is, y'all. That's what it is. So I'm excited. So I got that on. I'm rocking that today. That's my blazer I'm rocking, along with my pants I was telling y'all about earlier. Of course, you know I'm gonna take some pictures when I go inside. It's my bag. Oh my God. Okay, yes, I know y'all probably wondering, like, what in the world was that look she just gave us? Let me tell you what that look was. I got all the way to work, all the way there. I mean, I'm at work, right? Coming back out of the garage. Because guess what? I forgot my freaking bag, y'all. Oh my God. I ain't got no shoes or nothing. Listen, flip-flops popping right now and everything. Like, when I looked in that bag and didn't see no dang work bag, y'all, I finna fall on the ground and die. I got to go back home now. That means I gotta go back through traffic to get back through traffic. Y'all don't understand how I'm feeling right now. And I need something to drink. I think I'm about to go into the 7-Eleven. No shoes and all. And get me something to drink. Oh, you know what? I'm going to stop at the one. No, I'm not. I'm going to stop right here. Oh, shit, this man behind me. People behind me. Why you so close up on me? Saudi. I'm trying. If he gets behind me, so why would you get behind me? Go around. Go around. Go around. Go around. Go around. I'm trying to park. Go around. I'm trying to park. I'm trying to park. That's what I'm trying to do. Yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all, it's something about the light in the morning. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you for waking me up, Lord. Thank you for blessing me. Thank you for guiding me, Lord. Continue to guide me and to continue to watch over me as I travel safe back to this house to get my bag and travel back to work. Lord, I ask that you just continue to do what you do and keep working on me. And I'm a work in progress, Lord, but you know that I know you got my back, so I'm good. Peace. Hey, I'm going to 7-Eleven. I'll be right back. Alright, so back to what I was saying. My bad. I had to go in 7-Eleven, y'all, get something to drink. Ain't no way I can get back in that traffic 2 times on purpose and not have something to drink. I got to have something to drink. I ain't had no breakfast yet either. Hold on, y'all, call coming. Alright, y'all, so anywho, back in the car. Cause I'm sorry, I ain't had no breakfast yet. And my supervisor told me that she bought the good donuts today because I'm going to be running late. I probably ain't going to get no good donuts, so I'm kind of upset about that. Yeah. Yeah, I see y'all grab me some wings. Oh, that's 7-Eleven. Because I'm hungry. I need some food. I've been driving all night. So I gotta eat something. But anywho, so I'm on my way. So anyway, let me tell y'all about my jacket. So this is one of the first blazers I did. And again, I don't know how many years ago I made this blazer. It had to be. So we're talking about S&G customers with the embroidery patch. And I think I was living, when I patched that on my jacket, I think I was living in DC at the time. So I might have made this jacket in 2015. So that's how long that's how old this coat is. So this is when you buy, when I say quality, versus quantity. Like, here's the thing. Like, I get approached all the time about why don't I just order bulk clothing and then just put my brand on it. But then, like I said, that kind of defeats the purpose of the customs, the couture, in the whole name, if I'm just doing what everybody else is doing. So I don't want to do that. So, and I don't do that. So when people say that, that's why I don't do it, because I'm sewing everything by hand. I'm making it myself. I'm not doing yeah, I'm about to get lost. Ooh, I'm tripping. I'm coming out here, I'm going to the east, I'm going back, I'm going to the west. So it says Washington. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be making a left right here. Sorry, y'all gotta remember where I'm supposed to be at before I get lost. So yeah, but so I want, and it's probably older than that. I want to say it may be older than that, but maybe not, because I want to say, like, I started trying to make this blazer. We're going to say 2015. So this blazer is 2015. So us being now 2024, that would make this, what, 9 years old? So it's almost 10 years old. And look at the quality of this coat. Great quality. This was some great jean I had too, y'all. But and I was in my blazer moment, and I was like, I'm about to start making all different kind of blazers. So I made this one, I did a jean one, I did some corduroy blazers. And I'm gonna tell you, all the lapels was jacked up. I ain't gonna lie, but I just kept trying. I was like, one of these things is gonna come out right, and then none of them did not come out right. But I still have, I actually gave the corduroy blazers away to Goodwill a few years back or whatever. I remember putting those in the bag and giving them away, because I was just like, you know what, I'm not going to keep rocking this. These lapels is jacked up, but it was still good quality. It was a good jacket, and I mean, you know, if you're homeless or something, that would be a perfect outside outerwear. So I just gave it away. Let me cut my GPS on, y'all. I might have to hit y'all back in a minute. Alright, y'all, I had to cut my GPS on, my bad, because I'm all turned around and this traffic ain't helping. I took the wrong one. They're gonna exit. I mean, I went straight and I should have went straight, but okay. But alright, y'all. Alright. Yeah. This jacket is almost 10 years old. This jacket is almost 10 years old. And this is what I mean when I say quality. Y'all can see I didn't even have a serger back then. So that's how old. Yeah, that's how old. And I've had my serger for a nice minute. But I didn't have it when I made this jacket. But I think I'm going to make me another one, because think about it. This jacket is 10 years old. Well, this blazer is 10 years old. Not a scratch on it. Yes, I didn't wear it much, but I wanted to make sure I had my emblem on my pocket. So, you know, of course, it's a conversation starter, because people are going to be like, what is that? So now I have to do me another one, but I'm going to have to put my kCharles Couture logo on it this time. It's going to be a kCharles Couture. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do a side by side. Who wore it better? Did S&G wear it better, or did kCharles Couture wear it better? That's going to be cute, right? We're going to try that. We're going to do a little something and see what happens. That's a cute little contest. But again, I'm about to be in traffic, and I'm debating on whether I'm gonna go live. I think I might get on my get on Facebook Live and start messing with some folks, because like I said, I know I'm about to be sitting here for a second, and what other way to enjoy traffic than with my Facebook friends and family. So I'll see y'all when I get back to work. Peace. So I was gonna go live, but I changed my mind, because this traffic out here is kind of crazy, and I need to be paying attention. But on my phone, I can just hit record and just go. On the live, then you gotta be hitting buttons and seeing what people saying. Not this morning. Plus, if I did that this morning, this man in front of me be hit with a car, my car, and I ain't got time to hit nobody. My car.
In 1,000 feet, use the right lane to take the I-395 north exit toward Capitol Hill Verizon Center.
But I did give me something to train. not even
Use the right lane to take the I-395 North exit, then merge onto I-395 North.
Y'all can see I'm merging onto the lane, right? I'm really probably going to debate. Wish I hadn't did this. I wish I went straight down 14th Street. Anywho, so the jacket is, I'm gonna tell y'all, it's a little snug. It still fits, but it's just a little snug. And I'm okay with it being a little snug. Oh, y'all, listen, guess what? Your girl is taking her hair out today. The hair is coming out today. You know what? I can go